Historically, living learning communities have focused on retention, social integration, and transition of students who are attending a new university. And living learning communities combine the social aspect of housing a resident's life with the academic aspect of the classroom by developing students both socially and academically. The problem of this is there's not a whole lot of research on transfer students in living learning communities. Uh, the purpose of this study is to understand how transfer students socially integrate and transition within to a new university within a living learning community. Research questions are: what factors impact social integration and transition of transfer students in living learning communities at the University of Central Arkansas? The methodology for this study will utilize a narrative inquiry design. A narrative inquiry design is used as a means of understanding the story, the steps, the way that these transfer students are being socially integrated and transitioning from their past institution to this new institution while being in a living learning community. This methodology will also utilize interviews as well as reflective journaling to understand transfer students and their experience. So, interviews will be conducted in an open-ended manner and will occur at the beginning of the fall semester and towards the end of the fall semester. And these questions will be open-ended so that we can really understand the story, the transition, the way that these transfer students have come from a different institution to this institution while being in a living learning community and how well it is impacting their experience. For reflective journaling, these students will just simply have questions that kind of spur thoughts or spur different experiences in their mind throughout the process of being in this living learning community throughout the fall semester. So every 2 weeks, these transfer students will be detailing a reflection of those 2 weeks and their time in a living learning community and how well it's impacted their social integration and transition to the university. Thanks.